Cryptocurrency prices across the board are experiencing a steep decline over the last couple of days. Bitcoin now testing $38,000 as a level of support. Terra Luna Classic testing 9,000 points per coin as a level of support. This is nowhere near where we were 2 weeks ago when cryptocurrency prices were doing very well and Bitcoin was testing 50,000. Terra Luna Classic just a couple of months ago was testing 30,000 points per coin. But we've got some reason for the decline, and we're going to be talking about the reasons for the decline in this video because it's good when you have reason, right? Let's look at it this way. If there was no reason that Bitcoin was falling, if there was no reason that Terra Luna Classic was falling, it would simply mean that people no longer believe either in the current prices or people no longer believe in those assets. But because we do have a lot of fundamentals essentially affecting the overall market and affecting Terra Luna Classic right now, we're going to be going over them in this video. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2024 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're going to be earning 5% on your cash balances. Don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you're getting that 5%. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges, where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you got KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders. The more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Finally, thank you to everybody going out to Amazon, grabbing your favorite bro merch. I know you guys are loving it, and you're actually helping to burn shibainu coin by buying that out there. Actually, utilizing that link to buy anything helps burn shibainu coin. So I know it's not Terra Luna Classic, but you guys are contributing to the the cryptocurrency communities out there by simply leveraging that link, and I do appreciate it. Now let's talk about what's affecting the overall market and what's affecting Terra Luna Classic today. We'll jump into it in a little bit more detail in a minute here, but Terraform Labs bankruptcy. Terraform Labs files bankruptcy. Bankruptcy filed by Terraform Labs. Headlines across the board. So Terra Luna Classic is down, and it's down. It's trying its best to maintain 9,000 points per coin right now, and we're going to have to wait and see if it does so, especially with the overall market falling. So I found a great article that talks about why is crypto down today. The GBTC, or the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, now ETF, sell-off. The global cryptocurrency market has lost $40 billion over the last 24 hours amid the market-wide turbulence that has seen several assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum drop by shocking margins. Now, look, guys, what are the margins right now? Bitcoin is down 2.80% to 38,900. Ethereum is down 6.30% to $2,190. 6% and 2% in the cryptocurrency world, at least to me, is not shocking margins. So some of these news articles, they do over-exaggerate things just a little bit. Yes, we're in a sell-off, but a 2% sell-off to me is not shocking. This downtrend, which started on January 12th, following the initial hype surrounding the spot Bitcoin ETF approval, has endured amid several sell-offs from institutional and retail investors alike. It has led to a slew of sell-offs that have compounded into panic across the markets. I'm actually not panicking at this point. If you guys are panicking, let us know in the comments, but I'm not panicking yet. Bitcoin triggers a market-wide bloodbath. These articles don't help. They certainly don't help the panic, right? 2% is not a bloodbath. As a result, market sentiment has dipped significantly. Per data from Sentiment's total social volume metric suggests that while social activity has increased over the past week, the crypto community is focused primarily on buy and sell mentions. Buys, this is the good news, are far outweighing the sells. It says, despite the downtrend, market participants are leaning towards buy the dip tendencies, as buy mentions have increased, taking up 3.61% of the total social volume, and sell mentions have only been sitting at 1.83% of the total social volume. So people are still buying and buying the dip and outweighing the selling pressure that is out there. The market faced a considerable setback yesterday following Bitcoin's collapse below $40,000. Bitcoin recovered the $40,000 mark, and of course now it's back down below. Bitcoin dip affected the rest of the entire market, with Ethereum falling as well. Now here's the reason for it, okay? The GBTC sell-off. The market has been exacerbated by massive sell-offs from the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust shortly after the ETF approval. Interestingly, after the SEC's ETF approval, Alameda, FTX's sister firm, recently withdrew its case against Grayscale. However, data suggests that FTX also sold off of 22 million GBTC shares, compounding the bearish pressure on Bitcoin and the broader market. Besides the FTX sale, institutional investors have continued to dump their GBTC shares, resulting in more Bitcoin sell-offs. Grayscale recently moved $1.3 billion to Coinbase, the custody service provider for GBTC, amid an outflow of $2 billion from the ETF. A market analyst pointed out that the product's 1.5% high fee and the absence of its massive discount have triggered the investor exodus. So guys, before, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust was trading at a discount. It was trading at $7, and it should have been worth $15 based on the amount of Bitcoin that it held. Because of the recent rise in both the price of Bitcoin and in GBTC, that differential was lessened. And because of that, because it's trading at less of a discount, people don't view it as I guess, lucrative anymore. And the fact that they're charging a 1.5% fee, while other investment firms are charging like a 0.3 to 0.5% fee, it's viewed as high by the industry, and therefore people are selling off. Now, that's what's affecting the overall market. If you just search cryptocurrency news right now, crypto firm Terraform Labs files for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection. Crypto firms Terraform Labs files for bankruptcy as Do Kwon awaits fate. Cryptocurrency firm Terraform Labs files for bankruptcy in the U.S. Terraform Labs declares bankruptcy in Delaware. It's all over the news right now. Being delisted from Crypto.com. Terraform Labs filing bankruptcy. It is getting harder and harder for Terra Luna Classic, for Luna 2.0, for this entire ecosystem to have a substantial recovery, unless, of course, it becomes some sort of a meme coin completely driven by community speculation. So let me know what you guys think about all of the market activity right now and whether or not it is a buy the dip opportunity or whether we are sitting on the sidelines and waiting. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a pro. We are here every single day. We are growing our portfolios together. You guys got Claybro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.